Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies, job vacancies and scholarships and fellowships from different universities, different countries and different organizations. In the present video I would like to talk about KPMG hires 1000 professionals with artificial intelligence, cyber security and data engineering skills. KPMG full form Clinwell Pete Marwick Gordeller in India is seeking to hire approximately 1000 digital professionals skilled in various domains like cloud, artificial intelligence, cyber security, data engineering, business intelligence and domain specialization. According to the news media, these positions are open across the north, west and south regions of the country, where the company is looking for professionals with 2 years of experience to seasoned individuals with 15 to 18 years of experience. Speaking about this initiative, Akhilesh Tuteja, the partner and head digital consulting at KPMG in India, started the media that considering the transformative value propositions had generated an outstanding response in the market. It is currently hiring to manage all those large-scale transformation projects. Explained further, Tuteja said that these projects require year-long investments in the effort, resources and technology implementations, thus requiring experienced professionals to power these projects. We plan to hire several thousand people in the coming years to help us address the growing demand and scope of these engagements. Over the years, the digital transformations have gone beyond migrating processes to ERPs and CRMs to more adaptation of the internet and newest technologies such as cloud, artificial intelligence, cyber security, intelligent automation. With such advancements, businesses are looking to transform their operations, keeping customers at the center of innovation, leading to increased demand for new skills in the market. KPMG has been focused on building business-led transformation projects driven by artificial intelligence and other such technologies. Therefore, there has been a massive need for skilled professionals who will know about working on modern technology like artificial intelligence, data science and cyber security. The company is currently seeking multi-generational individuals passionate about digital technologies irrespective of gender, background, industry and work experience, have the capability and eagerness to learn. The initiative will also create an opportunity for women looking to restart their career and the ones laid off amid the pandemic. With its growing business, KPMG also has further plans to hire several thousand people in the coming years in order to grow its team by a factor of 3 in the next 3 years, comprising 30% freshers, 50% experienced and 20% senior executives. I hope this video is informative, so you can like it and share it. Please now and then check the website of KPMG. Very soon it is going to release a notification, job notification. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.